Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a copy of a document in the Google Drive app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up Google Drive. Here it opens up in suggested. Now we have to select the document that we want to work on. Now we just tap on the three dots next to its name and then tap on make a copy. And here we can select the location where the copy is going to be made. It can either be our drive or one of our computers, shared with me, or starred. We can just select one and then tap on select. And yeah, a copy of the document is going to be made in that folder. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.